Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because we are diving into something very different, very unique, and honestly a breath of fresh air in the world of electric mobility, and that is the brand new 2026 Worksman PAV3 Electric. For those of you who might not know, Worksman has been around for over a century building durable trikes, industrial cycles, and personal mobility vehicles that focus on strength, practicality, and reliability rather than just flashy looks, and with the PAV3 Electric they have taken all of that experience and reimagined it for a future where electric power, comfort, and accessibility really matter. In this review I'll be walking you through the interior feel, how it performs on the road, the safety features you can expect, what makes it stand out compared to other electric mobility options, what kind of price point it comes in at, and finally my overall conclusion on whether or not this is the right pick for you or someone in your family. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's explore the 2026 Worksman PAV3 Electric together. When we talk about the interior, the Worksman PAV3 Electric doesn't try to pretend it's a luxury car, but what it does extremely well is give you comfort, space, and a sense of stability that you just don't get in smaller scooters or e-bikes. The seating arrangement is wide, well-padded, and ergonomically designed to support the rider for longer trips, with an emphasis on reducing strain on your back and shoulders. The PAV3 comes with an enclosed cabin option, which means you're protected from the elements whether it's rain, wind, or just a chilly evening ride, and that enclosure also gives it a bit more of a secure and private feel compared to open electric trikes. The dashboard area is simple but functional, with a digital display that gives you speed, battery status, range estimation, and essential warnings in a clear, easy-to-read format. Storage has been carefully thought out as well, because unlike many other mobility trikes that leave you struggling with bags, the PAV3 gives you a generous rear cargo space and small cubbies around the seating area for your daily essentials. This combination of comfort, protection, and practicality makes the interior experience something that feels more like a mini EV than just a trike. Moving on to performance, this is where the 2026 Worksman PAV3 Electric really shines in its category. It's powered by a high-torque electric motor designed to give strong acceleration from a standstill, which is important for anyone using this vehicle for commuting in urban environments or carrying heavier loads. The motor pairs with a long-lasting lithium battery pack that offers an impressive range of around 45 to 60 miles on a single charge depending on how you use it, which is more than enough for daily errands, commutes, and even extended recreational rides. The top speed is capped at a safe but useful level, usually around 15 to 20 miles per